firewall. We don't have in our syllabus, no need to worry about this one. Whatever the firewall I have here, example, I taken the Palo Alto version 10 here. This one just I taken, you have this firewall here. So this switch is already power on. If I take this cable and if I connect here, it is showing like it is connected, but it is not connected. Unless I switch off this device, you cannot connect. If you want to check, just refresh this and you can see it is not connected. So we are using the community edition. In EVENG community edition is having this one. If you power on the device, you cannot connect any device, not only firewall. If you want to connect the computer or switch anything, it will show like this, but it is not connected. If you see, it is not connected. So if you want to connect, then you need to power off this device and then you need to connect like this. Okay, you can see it is getting, you can connect here like this and then you can power off, power on. So this is a drawback you will have in the EVNG community edition, but no problem. Whenever you want to connect, you can switch off the device and connect, or before starting the device, try to connect all the cables. Okay, if you want, no, I will connect before without switching the device, I want to connect, then you need to take the another edition, that is we are using community edition. You need to take the what we can say professional edition, that is they will charge you $120 per year, but no need to take that one. Community edition is sufficient for us. We have two edition, EVENG. If you see, let me show you the official website. Just I am giving you overview about this one also. You have professional, EVENG professional, EVENG community edition. Community edition is free, and this EVENG professional edition, it is paid one, yearly you need to pay. Here what advantage you will get, even if the device is on, you can connect the cable, and here you can run more devices. Here you can run up to 60 device. So 60 is enough for CCNA, CCNP. We will run maybe 5 device or 10 device, not more than that one. So this one is enough for us. No need to go for this one. But up to you. If you want to use this one also, you can take, but this will charge you $100 or $120 per year for this licensing. This one, this Pro EVNG Pro license, we are calling that one. That is professional, and the corporate, that is depend which one you want to buy for your company and all that one. But we are using the community edition. So what you need to remember, if we are using the community edition, then we need to switch off the device and connect the device. And if you see here how much it is showing, if you see in the rupees, it is showing this one. If you convert into dollar, then $120 something, the price of the EVNG professional edition for 1 year. So approximately I am getting how much, this one 16,400 and something. If you convert into USD, you will have $120 something. Yeah, $200. And they will charge you some GST also. So anyhow, no need for that one. Some student buy that one, so that's why I'm showing you, but no need for that one. This community edition is enough for us. So now what we will do, I done everything. Now what we want, example, if you want to put the IP, you can put the IP here and you can power on the device. So let me power on the devices. If you want to power on one by one, you can power on one by one. If you want to power on all together, you can go here and you can start all the nodes. If you click this start all the nodes, you will get all the nodes power on all together. So what I will do here, I will go here, I will say start all the nodes. So once I click this one, all the computer, everything will be power on. After that, you can take the CLI and you can do whatever you want to do. So generally we will take this one. This is the switch 1. I will open switch 1 CLI and I will open the switch 2 CLI. This is a switch 1, switch 2, and if you see, it is ready. Switch 1 is ready, switch 2 is ready, and here I will put some tag here at least, so you will have which VLAN and what VLAN. So I will put here VLAN 10 for VLAN 10 IT. If you want to increase the font size, increase here. If you want to make bold, whatever color you want to give, you can give. You can duplicate and you can paste one here. This is VLAN 10 and this one is a VLAN 10 here, and you can duplicate this one and you can put here. If you want to change the color, you can change the color. Click edit and change that color whatever you want to give. And you can change the text also. You can go here and you can change. This is for VLAN 20. So I will put VLAN 20 and we can go here HR or whatever name you want to give. So we can use this one HR and duplicate. Okay, and if you are having the issue, just refresh the page and then click here duplicate. You have more, you can paste this here. So now by seeing this one, you can easily figure out which VLAN this department, which VLAN this PCs, like that. And if you want to define the IP schema, you can define also IP schema here. Just I will write here, I press enter and write 192.168.10.0 we are going to use for VLAN 10, and here we will use the 10.20. 192.168.20.0/24. So this is the IP schema we are going to use for our lab. Okay, we know already this one and everything is okay. We need to assign the IP, and I think if you are unable to move, if you are facing issue, then just refresh from here and you can move after that one. So everything is good here. What we can do now, here we have the CLI. We need to take the CLI of the computer also. Click here, you can get the PC1. Click here, double click here. If it is not working, just refresh and click here. This is a PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5, PC6. Whatever the PCs you have, just click and it will open. So these are the switches. If you want to move from one switch to another switch, you have the tab here. Click here, you are in the switch 1. If you click like this, you are in the switch 2. If you click like this, you are in the PC1. If you click like this, you are in the another PC. So like that, you have the PC, and whatever the IP you are planning, you can give. Example, PC1 I will give 192.168.10.1, 10.2, and then here 10.5, 10.6, like that we can give. So how to assign the IP here? In this one, if you want to assign, because first time I am giving you in the brief, next time we can assign directly, because many guys don't know how to use EVNG. That's why I am telling you each and every steps and showing you here how we can design, how we can do that one. Later we can do little fast also. Maybe some guys are feeling bored also why we are doing from the scratch like that, but some guys don't know how to use the EVNG. That's why I am showing you here everything. So this is the PC1. If you click here, this is the PC1, and if you want to check do we have IP, I will write show IP. So we